Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Intel Korea. In CADian CAD, you can perform an incremental and repeated offset by specifying the distance during the offset execution. Let's explore the incremental offset feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. When you click Utility, the modification menu is displayed, and you can select the incremental offset distance option. Select the object and specify the direction for the offset. Click 2 points with the mouse to specify the distance for the offset. Or, you can enter the value using the keyboard. The offset is performed incrementally at the specified distance. This is convenient when you need to offset multiple times at varying distances. We've demonstrated how to use the utility feature of CADian CAD for incremental offsetting. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.